Good day, welcome to Motinet Design. In the continuation of our work that we have been working on for a while. So in the last episode, we were able to start the elevation proper and design them. So see it on 3D. So we work basically on this 3D to achieve some things. But in this particular episode, now what we want to do is that we want to now work on the site, do the creation of the site properly according to the template of the. So now this is what we want to work on. So let me say I'm going to define the site like I think I've done that in the level one. So I have this site proper proportion. So what I want to do is that I'm going to bring the whole what is it called, the whole structure and interpret it here. So but before then, let me quickly do one or two on the site before I move on to that level. So but what I need to do first is that since this is my template, because I will not want everything to be clumsy, so I'm going to create a special site for this. So before I now, because I just, when you look at it on 3D now, it's just only show the building that is here. I've not added anything. So you get, so how do you do that? You just go to site, I say, so file, and you just say save as. So save as a normal project again. So this time around, modern, just you can call it modern apartment sites. So you understand. So modern apartment still retain its originality, but this time around is the site we want to do configuration. So the site is going to be what it is. So save now as a site. While you go back and start working on it as a site maybe. So I'm going to go to this and say wall. So I want to create the fence. So I'm not going to use this fence, so I'm going to use normal fence. So now all this place is going to be covered up. So what did I do? The complete fence. I say I'm going to use a generic 200. So the height, we have actually want to start from the foundation level. So let it be from the foundation level. No, sorry, I have to change something. Foundation level and a level 0. So base is going to be 0. I'm going to start from foundation level and goes like that. Understand? So this is it. The site is like this. So check it on 3D and see what we have created. So here is it on 3D. So the site is like this. Now what I want to focus now is the, so as I have it now, I want to annotate one thing, and that is the base of this. So I'm going to say column model in place. So I'm going to say just casement. I don't need anything, just give casement to be giving itself a proper name. So I'm going to use extrusion to do that I want to do. Now we draw this. So that's the base for this particular one. I'm going to say finish. So now he asked me questions, so I have to, so I'm going to say finish. So this is what I've created. Look at it on 3D now. You have this in place. So but that is not the right thing to do. So the base, I actually started from where it's supposed not to start from. So the base is supposed to start from foundation. So you get, so you can just like say cut, then paste on the current view. So what is the current view? You go back and see it. So it's see, does it have anything meaningful? But you can cut it again, cut it completely. It's going to disappear, and I say paste on what? Align selection. So on the foundation, see that it go below. So that's how I want it to go. When you go back to foundation now, you should be able to see what we have created. So that is it. So now you can now use this one to say edit. So come here and create the same thing of this nature. So it gets, so now you trim more to get everything in connection. So click finish. So now you go back here and see what you have done. So you see that step by step you are getting them neat, you are getting them right. So as you're done with this one, now you can click finish. So your attention now is to shift to this one. So this one serves as a general route. So when you click on this, the base, edit. The base is high, which is good, but that is not the end to what we are creating. So you can reduce it to, let's say, 150, which is this. So it's goes down. So now you say copy and you say move to level 1. So level 1, and you say press enter, edit. Then you say extrusion. Extrusion, now you come to foundation. What you do here is that you cover up for the area that you open. Understand? So now this is what you have. This is going to open. It's not going to be closed like before. You don't need to do anything other than this. So now the road, you have to give a complete. So it depends on, because this is an estate. Well, I'm not going to do infrastructural work. So just let it be the way it is. So I'm going to leave it like this. So the whole front is going to meant for something. So what is this issue? The issue said there's coalition here. Good. So now that gives us opportunity to do what we want to do now. So let's say 36. From here now, draw. I'll leave this one. So now you from here again. So now you do what? What happened to you? So it gave me something that I don't like. So let me just like close it up here. Okay, close it. And come and close it. So you say trim this. Yes. So I think you have it. So delete this one. Another one is existing there. Now where the problem lies is that how we got to do this one and get it done. So I'm going to draw this one close here. So this is going to be open. Delete this and delete this. So you draw another one properly and you say finish. So it's telling you another thing again. So what? That one is a minor. So click finish this time around. What is the issue again? Continue. So this is how you work until you get the whole thing particularly right. So click here and say finish. So when you click finish here, the whole side is done. So you can now change the category of this one by going to, I'm going to duplicate this one, then graphics. I think I love the graphics like that. So go here and go to appearance. From appearance, go to site work. From the site work now, you select the road something. So it's asphalt that must come. So you just select asphalt like that and let it be what you are going to use here. So from here now, you click on this and you reduce the height of this one to 100. So when you come back to 3D, you see what you have created. Sorry. So you see what you have created here. So this is how far the whole thing is. So this one I can now change the whole color. But you change the color of this one and you say what do we have? So let's say this one we are using, just select any other one that you know that it can be okay. You change the, so let me just use this one, ceramic tags. So did it work? So I think that color is okay. So you click finish. So every other thing you need to do now, you now need to go and be bringing them. So before I continue, let me quickly do that as fast as possible. So how do I do that? I have to close every other one that I say systems. So I think everything that is on this page now, they are only the sites. So I'm going to say, I'm going to go back here and I will say link. Where is the link? So insert, delete the Revit file here. So modern apartments, I'm going to use this one. I will say open it. So it's there already, but it's only that it stays on the existing one because the same is what you have done that you put there. So you are going to now go and work technically. So how do you do and be able to select it is what we want to do now. So if you have issue like this, what are those things you need to do? So this one have issue on this. So you just select. By the time you look around, you are going to see the one that will appropriately get it right for you. So what you just need to do is to click here and say move. So you need to move it. From here you move the front and you move it. So you have selected the front, move like that. So as you're done with this one, what else do you need to do? You now need to do copy this one. So but for now, you just say go to 3D and see whether it actually double. So the problem here is that this one save, but this one did not save the appearance of the color. So maybe later we'll go back there, but let me just see how you will be able to copy and get everything in appropriate order. So you say copy now this time around, and then you move here and say okay. So it saved the whole template but didn't save the color. So that's where the whole problem is. So when you select this one, it shows you that the modern apartment is 2 generic wall. So you will wonder yourself, why is it generic wall? Here it's like this, and this one generic wall is different from this one. So but later we're going to adapt that. So you must always have some issue like that in Revit. So look at it now, we have those apartments being together, being put in place. So we go back and do what is next. The next is that we have not finished the offense. So we're going to say, and I'm going to go to the foundation. For foundation, I will say place similar. Then from here, I'll do it. So it's my choice now to continue with what I want to create. So if I want to continue, I push it up. If I don't want to, I can present this one. So now this is the gate entrance and that. So you can put your gate here, put everything you want to put. So from here now, I'm going to demarcate. So I'm going to say here. So because this is different, what's it called, compound entirely. So I'm going to say draw this. Understand? So I'm just going to draw this one. So take it off. So it's not blurred. There's a design I'm going to do here. So we're going to get there step by step. We're going to do everything step by step. So that's what I want to explain here. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to correct this color. For now, let it be the way it is. So see you in the next tutorial. God bless you. Thank you.